So Dad, why are you showing everybody can get in or trucking them out?
A lot of people can't do it, Liam. Well, at least they think they can.
You can.
I know. It's because I'm determined. And stubborn. Watch out. A lot of people can get into trucks still. A lot of people are too scared to try or don't know how. So, Liam, this video.
Oh Dad, tell me when you get out and I'll just pause it. I'll pause it. Daddy.
So remember, people, you have to have your seat all the way reclined. So get your chair over.
Wow, you're really paralyzed.
What? Why do you say that?
Because I'm really paralyzed. I didn't know you were actually that paralyzed.
What do you mean?
Like, you're really paralyzed. I didn't know you were that paralyzed.
What do you mean? 2 years you've known I'm paralyzed.
I know you're paralyzed, but I didn't know you were that paralyzed.
What do you mean that paralyzed?
You're really paralyzed, like, very, very paralyzed.
I know, Liam.
I didn't know you lift your own